Hey everybody, on this video got a package here from eBay. It's supposed to be an Ace lock, an Ace hardware lock, I mean. Here, and this is a, they call like it's a jimmy-proof padlock. Works nicely. And it's like an, looks like a Y1 keyway. Yes, that's what it is. And see if we can get it picked open here. Looks like the top of these, some of these Yale keyways are really small. Some of them are more open at the top. This one, not quite big enough for 50 thousandths. We'll try 40. And we'll try Peterson hook here. Yeah, this keyway for a Yale keyway is actually really wide open. Try Secure Pro here, so I got plenty of room for it to fit. And the Yale keyway is about my least favorite to mess around with, but that's open here, so not too bad to pick anyways. No security pins or anything. And this doesn't look like this is actually guttable. So I guess that's it for this video. Ace Jimmy Proof padlock picked. That's what we'll do for now. We'll talk to everybody later.